Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best rainbow vacuum parts is probably one of the most important investments you can make to keep your rainbow vacuum cleaner running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. In this video, we will explore the essential replacement parts for your rainbow vacuum, helping you maintain peak performance and extend the lifespan of your valuable appliance, saving you money and ensuring a consistently clean home. Number 5. Rainbow Water Pan. This is the authentic Rainbow 2-quart water pan, ensuring perfect fit and performance. It's a genuine replacement part, built to the highest standards. It's designed to fit your SE, D4, or D3 rainbow model. Double-check your model number before ordering to ensure compatibility. Please verify your rainbow model number before purchasing to avoid any issues. Restocking fees may apply for incorrect orders. It's designed for a quick and easy installation. Simply replace your old pan with this new one and you're ready to go. Your Amazon purchase includes a 30-day warranty for your peace of mind. We're confident you'll love it. With a generous 2-quart capacity, it handles large cleaning jobs with ease. It's the perfect replacement for your rainbow cleaning system. What we like? It's a genuine rainbow part, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance for your C, D4, or D3 model. If you value authenticity and want to maintain your vacuum's peak efficiency, this is the ideal choice. This ensures your vacuum cleaner continues to perform at its best, extending its lifespan and providing superior cleaning. What people say. This bowl is very sturdy and made in the USA. It fits exactly as it should, it is much nicer looking with no scratches, etc. It fits perfectly and it works great. Number 4. Rainbow 12 Floor Brush. This is the genuine Rainbow 12-inch floor brush assembly. It's a perfect replacement for your existing brush, ensuring continued high-performance cleaning. Please ensure this brush is compatible with your rainbow model before ordering. Check your user manual to confirm. With a 12-inch width, it covers more ground with each pass, making cleaning faster and more efficient. It's an authentic rainbow part, guaranteeing quality and optimal performance with your vacuum. You can trust it to last. Installation is straightforward. Simply attach it to your rainbow vacuum and you're ready to clean. Please verify your rainbow model's compatibility before purchasing. A restocking fee may apply for returns. What we like? This genuine rainbow floor brush is designed for a perfect fit and superior cleaning. If you're looking to maintain the quality of your rainbow vacuum and achieve top-notch cleaning results, this is the part for you. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference in cleaning performance. What people say. Fits perfect and works great. It fits great on my rainbow vacuum. It has the same quality as the original piece I had before. It looks different in small ways, but fits and works great. So glad to be using my Rainbow Go on my hardwoods. This newer model picks up more debris on hardwood floors. Awesome product, connects to my SRX Rainbow Black vacuum perfectly. Easily picks up pet hair from multiple surfaces in my home. Pulling out the stuff from the brush is not too difficult and keeps cleaning up messy areas bearable. Definitely worth purchasing for a backup. Number 3. E-Series Water Pan. This is our new and improved water pan, designed for superior performance and durability. It's made with high-quality, non-polluting materials for a healthier clean. It boasts a larger 2.12-quart capacity, an upgrade from the previous 2-quart version. This means it can filter more dirt and keep your vacuum cleaner running efficiently. It's designed to be a perfect replacement for your existing water pan. It's compatible with several E and E2 series vacuum cleaner models. Please check the details to ensure compatibility. Installation is a breeze. Simply replace your old water pan with this one, following your vacuum cleaner's instructions. It's a quick and easy upgrade. We stand behind the quality of our product. It undergoes rigorous testing before it leaves our factory, and we offer a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you have any issues, please contact us directly, and we'll do our best to resolve them. What we like? It boasts a larger capacity than the original, allowing for longer cleaning sessions without interruption. If you need a larger water pan for extended cleaning, this is the perfect upgrade for your E or E2 series vacuum. Enjoy uninterrupted cleaning power with this upgrade. What people say. Fits perfectly. It was packaged in its own box within another box. It was also in a plastic bag. The product looked in good shape. The container worked fine in my rainbow vacuum cleaner. We used it for hours and no leaks. This was an exact match and very well made. Number 2. EFP Rainbow E-Series Water Pan. This high-quality water pan is designed to fit your Rainbow E-Series vacuum. It's a perfect replacement for a worn-out pan, ensuring your vacuum continues to perform at its best. Get great value with this premium replacement part. It's built to last and keeps your home fresh and clean. This water pan is compatible with various Rainbow E-Series models, including the E2 Type 12 Black, Silver, and Gold series. It's a simple and effective way to maintain your vacuum's performance. Replacing your old water pan helps your vacuum operate at peak efficiency. It effectively picks up dirt and contaminants while controlling odors. As an EFP brand product, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can be confident in its quality, fit, and workmanship. It's a simple replacement process, ensuring you get back to cleaning quickly and easily. Enjoy a fresh-smelling and clean home. What we like. This high-quality replacement part offers a perfect fit and reliable performance for your E-Series Rainbow vacuum. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution that doesn't compromise on quality, this is your best bet. Enjoy peace of mind with a 30-day money-back guarantee. What people say. Original bowl super expensive purchase through Amazon fits perfectly. Looks just like the original bowl and it works identical. Looks, feels, and fits just like the original. Number 1. Rainbow Vacuum Tool Kit. This comprehensive tool kit is designed to seamlessly integrate with all Rainbow vacuum models. It's your one-stop solution for maintaining a spotless home. With this kit, cleaning becomes a breeze. It's equipped with everything you need to tackle any mess, from floors to upholstery. It's specifically engineered to fit all Rainbow vacuum cleaners, ensuring a perfect and secure connection for optimal performance. This isn't just any tool kit, it's crafted from high-quality materials, built to last, and designed for reliable cleaning power. Its dark brown color adds a touch of elegance to your cleaning supplies, complementing your Rainbow vacuum cleaner. From hard floors to delicate fabrics, it has the right tool for the job. Experience the convenience and efficiency of a complete cleaning system. What we like. This comprehensive tool kit is compatible with all Rainbow models, offering a convenient and cost-effective solution for all your cleaning needs. If you're looking for a versatile and affordable way to enhance your Rainbow vacuum's capabilities, this kit is a must-have. It's the perfect solution for keeping your home tidy and clean. What people say. What a great set of tools and quick shipping and perfect fit. Needed a brush head for my Rainbow vacuum. This set of attachments are great. Rainbow replacement tools, good price, fast delivery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.